Uncover the shades of meaning. Use charcoal. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, use charcoal. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can add a smoky richness to your vocabulary. Let's ignite our learning and get into the depths of what it means to use charcoal. When we say, use charcoal, we're talking about the physical act of using a dark, carbon-rich material that's often used for drawing or fueling fires. Charcoal is a substance made by heating wood or other organic materials in the absence of air. It's a favorite for artists and grill masters alike. So, when you hear someone say they use charcoal, they could be reaching for their sketchpad or firing up the barbecue. Charcoal is beloved by artists for its versatility and rich tones. It can be used to create dramatic shadows and soft gradients. When artists use charcoal, they harness its potential to bring their visions to life with bold strokes and fine lines. It's a medium that's both primitive and profound, connecting the artist's hand directly to the canvas. On the other hand, when chefs and home cooks use charcoal, they're tapping into an ancient cooking method. Charcoal provides a distinctive smoky flavor to food that's hard to replicate with other cooking methods. It's not just about the taste, though. Using charcoal is a ritual, a way to gather and enjoy the art of cooking over an open flame. Sometimes, to use charcoal can also have a metaphorical meaning. It might refer to getting down to basics or working with fundamental elements. Just as charcoal represents a return to the essentials in art and cooking, using it in a conversation might suggest a stripping away of complexities to focus on the core issue at hand. And that's the essence of use charcoal. Whether you're sketching out your next masterpiece, grilling a delicious meal, or simplifying a complex problem, this phrase is all about the foundational and authentic experiences. We hope this exploration has added a new layer to your understanding of English. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent before you know it.